Google Keep is a great way to organize your reminders, notes, drawings, and checklists. You can organize the information however you'd like, but to help organize your Keep more effectively and efficiently, there are a few visual cues that you can use. All notes can be color-coded while you're creating them, or you can edit the color later. Color coding is a very visual way to categorize notes. Whether they're daily tasks, the same class, or related to the same project, color coding helps your brain automatically connect them together. To make priority notes stand out, you can color code using a priority color like red. Pinning the priority notes will organize it to the top of the Keep. This helps visually, but adding collaborators can add an extra set of eyes on the reminder, note, or checklist. Visual cues in Google Keep are helpful, but they only work if you and your students look at Google Keep. Setting up a reminder will send a cue to all collaborators' devices. These reminders can be set up for any date or time. They're repeatable, and they can even send GPS-based reminders if the task is related to a certain location. A list with multiple categories within it can become confusing and hard to prioritize. For example, a missing work list with multiple assignments from multiple classes can be made more visually organized with emojis. Either use emojipedia.com or a multitude of emoji extensions available for Chrome. These visual cues will appear slightly different depending on which device it's viewed on, but it'll remind students which class the assignment belongs to. Although you can't yet embed them directly into the text itself, you can paste URLs into Google Keep. These URLs can link students directly to the assignment. This helps avoid challenges in executive functioning by directly sending students to the proper Edpuzzle, Google Workspace assignment, or Google Classroom. The lists and notes themselves have visual cues built in to help organize expectations. All collaborators can check items off the list to declutter the lists. If there are completed notes, you can archive them or delete them. Archiving them keeps them accessible later, but removes them from your main Keep. An organized Keep is an efficient Keep. The visual cue options that Google Keep provides, such as color coding, URLs, and emoji integration, put them apart from common paper organizers. It makes them dynamic and customizable.